Hey, what's up guys? This is Martin with the next forexpro.com. Today I want to go over a few things here. Now before I do, I want to go over uh, the disclaimer really quick, and that trading foreign exchange uh, does require high level of risk, and it may not be suitable for all investors. This video is for educational purposes only, and that's it. Let's go ahead and get to it. But anyways, I want to go over a few things here. Before I get into that chart, let me go ahead and do this. Now, for the past 2 weeks, I want to show you how I was able to do in the market itself, and kind of to show you that sometimes you don't need a lot of points in order to be profitable in the forex market. As long as you can stay consistent when what you do, then you will be fine. And I'll also go into that into a different video, and I'll go ahead and post it below this one. Alright, if you don't see it, it's because I most likely haven't gotten to it. But I want to go over and start adding and subtracting the points that I was able to generate from June 8 all the way to June 19, which is for the past 2 weeks. So here we go. So there's one, and right here minus 2.4 minus 4.7. So for these 2 days, I'm already at negative 8.2 points. You gotta realize these are points. Alright guys. Now, here we go. I make it right back up on June 9, that's the same day. And then I add some more. So I'm already in profit at 6.4 for that day. Right? And here we go, I get a little 0.5. Let's just go ahead and count that, since every point or fraction of a point that you can get counts. And then I get a minus 3.3. Minus 2.6. So I'm pretty much back down to break even. Oh, look at all these series of losers. So let's go ahead and start subtracting. Minus 3.2, minus 3.2, minus 0.4, minus 4.7. So I'm pretty much negative 10.7 points on June 10. And it's still June 10 here, guys. Oh, look at that. I got 2 positions at 9.7. So go ahead and add that. I'm already up 8.7, back in the profit, and I'm back to, I make another 5 points here. There you go. I make another 5.8 points. So there you go. This is actually on Friday. I get a negative 0.4 and a plus 1.5 for June 12, and that ends that week. So for that week, from June 8 to June 12, I get about 20 points for the week. And I don't know about you, but 20 points is pretty awesome for me. I am happy with 20 points. Alright, now let's go ahead and continue to see how the day progresses. So here's a negative 0.2. Alright, and then I guess that's it. So for this week, from June 15 to June 19, I only took 2 trades. Actually did take one and got out for a negative 0.2, and then on June 17, which was on Wednesday, I took 6.2 and 5.7. So let me go ahead and add that. So there. For those 2 weeks, I was able to generate 32.4 points. Now, it may not seem like a lot for you guys, but imagine if you were able to do that and generate 20 points every week for a full year. If you guys were to trade, depending, every trade account is different, but that's at least 30 to 50% of your account if you're able to generate 20 to 10 points per week. I don't know about you guys, but that's pretty powerful. Alright, and you don't need that many points to be profitable. I mean, sometimes you get other people in the room saying, oh, check this out, I got 150 points, and then, you know, the following week they're you know, they get a losing trade and they're up only 30 points. In the end, these 30 points, it's just about the same. The only difference is the system. I'm not bashing them, not at all. I'm not bashing them. I mean, they have their trading style, I have my trading style. If you noticed, my losses, look at my losses. I think my biggest loss was around 4.7. Even when I was losing over here, here's another one for minus 4.7, minus 2.4. I always try to keep my losses very small. And if you noticed, my ratio is about a 2 to 1 to 3 to 1. Right? That's a 9.7 win right here. So I always try to keep my losses very small. I am a scalper. I do scalp the market. I do sometimes hold trades for longer. If you see my previous videos, I've held longer, so I do try to, you know, do my best to get those winners running. Most of the time when I see the market will not do what I expect, I pretty much take out my 5 points, and I'm happy with that. I'm out with 5.7 points, 6 points, and I'm happy with that. You know why? Because that's putting points in the bank. These points will do add up. As you can see right here, that's 32 points in 2 weeks. Now I'm going to show you on an Excel sheet what that looks like. And this is pretty much it from June 8 to June 19. These are all my points added up already. Right? At the end, I was able to profit 32.6. And here's the curve. You see that? I made a new high here, came right back down, and then went and then shot right back up. So we're expecting another lower high right here, and then hopefully make higher highs. And we'll see. The market and my results, my performance will speak for itself. But this video was intended to show you that the points that I was able to generate for these past 2 weeks, and to show you that I also have losing trades. Now, even though I have losing trades, I'm able to recuperate them because of my money management and because of my discipline to follow the system that I'm using. Look at all these losses. 1, 2, 3, 4. About 4 losses in a row without counting this one. This is just a negative 0.4. But this is 4 losses in a row. I mean, a lot of traders, what they don't realize is that when they see 4 losses in a row, or sometimes even a lot more than that, they're gonna give up, you know. And what they didn't know was that, hey, the next trade, it's a 9.7. You know, I got 2 trades right here. These are 2 trades that I took, and I closed them out at the same time for just about 20 points. And it made up for these small losses. And that's what a lot of traders don't understand, that when they get up to their 4th, 5th loss, most of the time, if they would have followed their system, that 5th, 6th time would have been the winner that would have made up the losses plus a little bit more to keep you in the game. And if that makes sense, then I've done my job in explaining myself in that video. I know I was kind of all around showing you the points that I got and going back to the money management. In the next video, I'm going to elaborate a lot more on the power of 7 points. Okay? The power of 7 points. And to show you that even trading 3 days out of the week and generating about 7 points for those 3 days can put you up pretty big. And you don't need to have a huge account or anything. So go ahead and look out for that video. It'll be below this. Once again, if it's not there, it's most likely because I'm still working on it. And for now, like I said, this is just to show you the plan of execution. And one more time, just keep in mind, this is where traders right here, when they see this go up, they're like, all right, yeah, you know, this is going really good. Now it's going to, you know, my account's going to shoot straight up. And then they see this drawdown, this series of drawdown. This is where a lot of traders get that, you know, 4 or 5 losses in a row, and then this is where they give up, not knowing that that next trade, those next couple of trades, would have been winners. And if they would have stuck to their rules, they would have been the profit, just like how I am right now. And that's the difference between a professional trader and a trader that is just beginning. Understand the process, guys. Alright? But anyways, thanks for watching. If you guys want to learn more how to trade using the FXPM trading system, go ahead and let me know. Or you can go to the nextforexpro.com, sign up for a free video series. And thank you guys for watching, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.